Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue with Casa cameras, that frustrating red blinking light. If your Casa camera is blinking red in 2025, it could mean anything from a simple connection problem to a firmware glitch. Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through easy, step-by-step fixes that can get your camera back up and running in no time. Let's dive in. First off, start with the basics. Check if your camera is properly powered. Ensure the power adapter is securely plugged in and that your outlet is working. Sometimes, a loose connection is the culprit. If everything looks good, try unplugging the camera for about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. This simple restart often resolves minor glitches. Next, open the Casa app on your phone or device. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can cause compatibility issues. In the app, look for any firmware updates for your camera and install them if available. Manufacturers like TP-Link release updates regularly to fix bugs, so this step is crucial. If the red light persists, it's time for a reset. Locate the reset button on your Casa camera, usually a small hole on the bottom or side. Use a paperclip to press and hold it for about 10 seconds until the light changes. This will restore your camera to factory settings, but remember, you'll need to set it up again through the app. Still seeing that red blink? Double-check your Wi-Fi network. Ensure your camera is within range of your router and that there are no interference issues. Try moving it closer or restarting your router. If none of these steps work, it might be a hardware problem. Contact Casa support with your camera's model details for further assistance. There you have it. By following these steps, you should have your Casa camera blinking green in no time. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.